Learn the use of gaa bupu. Gaa bupu in English means go carry away as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb gaa bupu to make sentences right now. Remember, gaa bupu is a command. It is a verb. We use it to give command. Let's start. Igbo English. Gaa bupu nri ahụ. Gaa bupu nri ahụ, meaning go carry away that food. Gaa bupu okwute. Gaa bupu okwute. Go carry away stone. Gaa bupu mmiri o ji asa ahụ. Gaa bupu mmiri o ji asa ahụ, meaning go carry away his bathing water. Ego, gaa bupu ya. Ego, gaa bupu ya, meaning ego, go carry it away. Gaa bupu ya n'ụzọ. Gaa bupu ya n'ụzọ, meaning go carry it away from the road. Gaa bupu ya ugbua. Gaa bupu ya ugbua, meaning go carry it away now. Remember, like I said earlier, that gaa bupu ya means go carry away. It is a verb. We use it to give command. We underlined it both in English and Igbo. We also use the same color marker to identify same words both in Igbo and in English. As you can see, gaa bupu means go carry away. Nri means food. Ahụ means that. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.